As soon as the Judicial Service Commission made public its shortlist for the post of Chief Justice, Kenyans took to social media to express their demand to answers on how the list was arrived at. Former Justice Minister and now Kenya leader Martha Karua was among the first to critique the process, wondering whether there was an external influence to the process. Senior lawyer Ahmed Nasir Abdullahi too chimed in. And now lawyers have petitioned the JSC to end this speculation by explaining the criteria used to arrive at the shortlist. In a letter to Professor Margaret Kobia, the acting chair of the Judicial Service Commission, the Law Society of Kenya says the recruitment process should be seen to be transparent and in line with the Constitution. As such, LSK says it is important for the purpose of preserving public confidence in the process that the reasons for which the candidates who did not make the shortlist be made public at the earliest possible convenience. Kobia had previously hinted on some of the factors JSC would be considering in the search for the next Chief Justice in an earlier interview with Citizen TV.
Looking for a CJ, besides all the other competencies who can work with the three arms of government. Zero exercise is independent, but it's zero understand we are one country and be able to work with the other two arms of government to move this country forward.
However, by the time of going on air today, JSC had not given an official response to the LSK petition. In the advertisement for the vacant positions in the Apex Court, the JSC said one must possess a law degree from a recognized university or be an advocate of the High Court of Kenya or possess an equivalent in a common law jurisdiction. One must also have worked for at least 15 years as a Superior Court judge or a distinguished academic, judicial officer, legal practitioner from Kenya or a Commonwealth country. The candidates were also required to be of high moral character, integrity and impartiality and to demonstrate a high degree of professional competence, communication skills, fairness, good temperament, good judgments in both legal and life experiences, and commitment to public and community service. Aside from a letter of application and a detailed CV, the applicants needed to submit 5 samples of professional writing as well as clearance certificates from the EACC, KRA, HELB, LSK and DCI. Among those who did not make the cut were legal professor Makau Mutua and Supreme Court Judge Jackton Boma Ojwang. Meanwhile, Court of Appeal Judge GBM Kariuki has taken issue with the DCI, claiming that his intent to apply for the Chief Justice job was sabotaged as he was denied a certificate of good conduct. Kariuki says he intends to institute a suit against the state and to seek the removal of DCI Director Ndegwa Muhoro. Jackie Maribe, Citizen Business Center.